I'm going to show how to replace the impeller on the Young Pumpin commercial vortex pumps. First thing you want to do is remove the 4 bolts around the base of the motor. Once you have all the bolts removed, tip the pump on its side. If the volute is stuck to the motor, you can use a dead blow hammer to get the volute off. To get the impeller off, put an Allen wrench into the center of the impeller. To stop the impeller from turning, you can wedge some screwdrivers underneath it. Remove the screw from the center of the impeller. Tap the screwdriver. To get the impeller off of the shaft. At this point, inspect your impeller for any damage and replace it if needed.
To reinstall the impeller, slide the conical sleeve onto the shaft. Install the washer with the radius on the bottom and lightly tighten the bolt into the shaft. Next, verify that the O-ring is installed into the inside bore of the impeller. Slide the impeller onto the shaft. The distance between the vanes on the back of the impeller must be 4 mm from the bearing chamber. Torque the bolt to the proper torque.
Before you put the motor onto the volute, make sure the O-ring is in place. Lift up the motor. Make sure that the cord entry is on the opposite side of the pump outlet. The last step is just to install your 4 screws and tighten them down, and you're all set to go.